the heart of the UK, guys. The UK, England. Let's not compare. Look at the view, guys. It's so beautiful. Come, let's enjoy the weather. Going to the beach. Now I'm here inside the bus. There's a cricket. Nice cup of tea. So welcome to the tanaw. Ikaw?
Ini sa bana lit.
Ang usahan? Ah,
Nairo ana.
asa ba iro?
Laki dog.
Naa man to sila Oh, naa.
Dito sa Pikas.
Sa Pikas. Oh, daghan sila kapilian. Oh, nagpatong bitaw. Di na kuyog na ilinog. It's beautiful. Hmm. Maganda, maganda siya. Look at this beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Ganda yung view. Right here in Eggplant. Kan sa store spot. Wala nakisignal.
Ito na na.
Oh, nabalik raman.
Pero dito mawala ko.
Dili ra. Continue raman to. Ta, ginoo ko.
Sir, wala ka na diyan na alaw ka na.
Patay wag ka te.
Ha?
Matumba ka.
Nangyar. Connecting na ng sat.
Siya?
Pero ko kabaluan tingno pwede ka mo.
Nindot siya sa murag kuan. Wala. Ani de wagi aw. Ah kani, wow, kani mo nindot ka. Ay huy ginoo ko. Huy.
Ay, dili tayo pwede oh.
Dili
Naguba
pwede?
di ay left. Naguba.
Basing naguba na yung nakusuga yung ulan.
Ulan niya naguba.
Oo. Matumba ka diha te.
Awit ko.
Lagi. Kanindot sa nindot ta sa adlaw, nindot kayong view.
Nice view. Kalari sa clock nila.
Ay, kanindot ko Mr. Mount. Oh. Mahal ang balay dire.
1 hour na ko.
1 hour na humana? Ah,
Beautiful.
beautiful. Ayun view, guys. Nice view. Mura bili ka na? Beautiful. Look at wow. Ford. Yung manakay tadi na tamo agi diri napod. Bikas napod. Bikas side. Different side. We go by another bus. To another bus. Unsa man? Rooftop. Sabay ta niya?
Nice houses in there. Panas lagi sa kuwi mo daganas dali sa gawas.
Dagan kay nang suki o gabi eh. Kay daplin magdagat. Mana? So now we're going now downstairs. Ikaw, asa man ta? Sa gikuan. We are here in the beach. We are here in the beach, guys. Here in the beach. Wow, beautiful beach. Sea is very beautiful here. It's really greeny and very clean. Very clean, very clean. And look at the sand, look. Very clean beach. It's not really like this is a public beach, but it's super cold here in the UK. So now let's go from here. Welcome, there is a sea. Dito sa sea. Ocean beach here in the UK, England. Let's go, let's go from here, this side guys. We're here now. White sun siya. White sun, so look at it's clear blue. White sun siya. Yung malinis siya dito, malinis. Yun dyan. Doon kami nanggaling. At tingnan natin dyan. Tingnan natin ang low tide siya, low tide. So, ito, a heart. Oh, it's heart. Guys, so let's walk around, and then it's super cold, very very cold. Yung hangin niya masyadong malamig ang lamig kasi guys, sobrang lamig. So look at guys, how beautiful and lovely. At least loads of people, it's not loads, it's konti lang mga tao, pero ang lamig, sobrang lamig siya. Low tide ngayon, low tide, so tingnan natin, punta tayo dito. Mayroong low tide siya. Then tingnan natin. Oh, look at the dog, how beautiful the dog is. Look at the dog, look at this dog. Oh, super cute, this dog. Look at another one. Where's the dog? Oh wow, oh, they're playing. Look at guys, they're playing. Another one, where's that? Look, wow. See? And the ocean here, look at guys, can you see it properly? Look at the zoom in. So that one is the building. This is called Weston-super-Mare. There's low tide. Low tide ngayon. So tingnan natin. Punta tayo dito. Ang lamig. Tingnan natin anong parang kwan siya. Para siyang, let's go to this side guys. Let's go to this side. Punta tayo doon. Look at, so beautiful. So preskong hangin, fresh air, clean, no garbage, very clean, completely clean. How beautiful nga natin, ang daming. So yun, dyan yung mga ano yan, low tide kasi, low tide at sobrang lamig. Balik tayo, sobrang lamig.